Dear students, once again welcome back to in this lecture. Now we will learn the continuation part of chapter number 6, Natural Regions. Equatorial region. These regions are located between 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south of the equator. Extend in Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Congo Basin and Amazon Basin. Here summer temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 2500 and 3000 millimeters. High heat and rainfall throughout the year. Because of hot and humid climate, vegetal litter decompose leading to diseases. Various types of trees and bushes are found here. Dense evergreen forests are found here. Trees are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, etc. Variety of animals are found here. In marshy land, crocodile, anaconda and hippopotamus etc. are found here. Gorilla, chimpanzees, hornbill are also found here. Here human settlements are very few. It depends on nature. Population is mostly tribal. Tribes like Pygmies, Boro Indians, Semang, etc. Monsoon region. These regions are located in north and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels. Areas: Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa, Central America, etc. Here summer temperatures are between 27 degree and 32 degrees Celsius. Winter temperatures 15 degree to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 250 to 2500 millimeters. Areas get rain in specific season from southwest monsoon. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. Here semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are found. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Banyan, peepal, teak, sal trees are found here. Wild animals such as tigers, lion, leopard, cheetah, monkeys, snakes, peacock, etc. are found here. Domesticated animals, cattle, goats, horses, etc. Population is mostly involved in primary occupation. The main occupation of the people is agriculture. Mediterranean region. These regions extend between 30 degree and 40 degree parallels in both the hemisphere on the western side of continents. Areas are Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Southwest and Northeast Australia, California, etc. Here summers are dry and rainfall in winters. Mean summer temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall 500 to 1000 millimeters. Coniferous forests are found in mountainous region. Thick, small and oily leaves, thick bark, examples olive, oak, chestnut. Due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large number. Goat, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. The main occupation of the people is agriculture and mostly fruit and flower cultivation. West European regions. These regions are located in the western part of continent between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels. Areas are Norway, Denmark, Ireland, New Zealand, British Columbia, etc. Mean summer temperature around 20 degrees Celsius, mean winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius, mean rainfall between 500 and 2500 millimeters. Rainfall mostly in the form of cyclones associated with westerlies. It rains throughout the year. Green grasses all the year round. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses, oak, beech, maple, pine, spruce, poplar, etc. are found here. Because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large number. Wild animals include wolves, foxes, bears, etc. Here people are industrious and enthusiastic. Mostly they are sailors and explorers. They have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sectors.